Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video we learn some special products from the chapter expansions. So there are 4 special products that you need to remember. Okay, so we'll consider the first one now. X plus A into X plus B into X plus C. Alright, there are 3 brackets. Okay, now how to remember this? Students will also do the derivation how we get this expanded form. Okay, so if you don't want to know the derivation, it's all right, you can directly memorize, but I would always suggest that you understand the concept in maths first and then memorize. Okay, so now X plus A into X plus B into X plus C. So students, X is getting multiplied thrice, so there will be X cube. Okay, so keep in mind there will be X cube, then there will be X square, then there will be X, and then there will be some constant term. Okay, now with X cube nothing is associated. With X square, now keep in mind the power should be 3. There are 3 brackets, so power should be 3. यहाँ पे power 2 है. So what we will do? Write down plus and then put brackets. A, B, C. A plus B plus C. Simple. Okay. So X cube, X square, X. With X square, there should be one more letter to make the power 3. A into X square. The power will be 3 when you add. Same thing with B into X square, the power will be 3, and same thing with C into X square, the power will be 3. Okay, so the power should be 3 throughout. Over here it is becoming X. So what we'll do, we'll consider two letters. So A into B, AB, B into C, BC, and C into A, CA. Okay, now if you check ABX, 1 1 1 3, same thing BCX 3, CAX 3, so the power is 3. Okay, and coming to the last part, plus ABC. Okay, so there is no X. A, B and C, now if you add the powers 1 1 1, it's 3. So students, please keep in mind the power throughout is 3. So if you're going wrong somewhere, you will be able to figure out your mistake. Okay, so X cube, X square, X, and some constant term. Okay, with X cube nothing is associated. With X square, A plus B plus C, and with X, AB, BC, CA, and last may there is A into B into C. Okay, so I hope it is easy for you to understand. Now we'll derive this formula. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll multiply the brackets. Okay, so X plus A into X plus B into X plus C. First we'll multiply these two. So X into X plus B plus A into X plus B. Okay, put brackets into X plus C here. Okay, so to avoid confusion, when you are multiplying these two brackets, put box brackets. Okay, now X into X gives X square, B into X gives BX, A into X AX, and A into B AB into X plus C. Now what we'll do, we'll multiply each and every term with the second bracket, or easy way, open the second bracket and multiply X with this bracket and C with this bracket. Okay, that would be easier. Instead of taking every term and multiplying with this bracket, okay, you will get lots of brackets. So instead, open this bracket, multiply X with this bracket and C with this bracket. Okay, so X into X square plus BX plus AX plus AB plus C into the same bracket this gives X cube plus bx square plus ax square plus abx plus cx square plus bcx plus acx plus abc. Now students, we just have to rearrange the terms. There is x cube, okay, there is bx square, ax square, cx square. So what we'll do, we'll take x square common from these three terms. So we get a plus b plus c into x square. Okay, we just rearrange the terms. So there are 2-3 steps more. Okay, so a plus b plus c into x square. So you can see we are getting the formula. Next is abx, bcx and acx. So what we'll do, we'll take x common. So we are left with AB, BC, AC, or AC is nothing but CA. Okay, it's one and the same, and plus ABC. So students, you can see we derived the formula. Okay, so first we'll multiply the two brackets and then multiply it with the third bracket. Now we'll learn the second product. Now coming to the second special product that we need to learn is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a cube plus b cube. Now a cube plus b cube in short is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Students, you need to memorize this, but again I'll say don't directly memorize, understand and then memorize. Okay, in maths memorizing is not the best option. Okay, always understand and then memorize, then it is all right. Now a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so these two brackets when you multiply you get a cube plus b cube. Okay, so you can easily derive a cube plus b cube by multiplying these two brackets, and from this also you can derive this. Okay, so we learn both ways. Now first one is very easy. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. We'll multiply first term with the second bracket and then second term with the second bracket. So a into a square minus ab plus b square plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this gives a cube minus a square b plus ab square plus a square b minus ab square plus b cube. So these terms get cancelled. We are left with a cube plus b cube. So LHS se we can easily obtain RHS. Now we'll obtain LHS from the RHS. Okay, so from a cube plus b cube, how do we get this brackets? Okay, so let us understand that also. Now we'll consider a cube plus b cube. Students, a cube plus b cube, I've always told you not to remember the formula for a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube, but this is the special product that you need to remember. Okay, so how do we get this product? Let us understand. A cube plus b cube I'll write in terms of a plus b the whole cube. Students, we know the expanded form of a plus b the whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube? It is a cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b cube. So we want a cube and b cube, but we don't want this. In LHS part, we don't have this. So a plus b the whole cube, okay, if we shift this on the other side, it becomes minus 3ab bracket a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube. So in short, a cube plus b cube is equal to this. Okay, so it is a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab bracket a plus b. Okay, now students, please don't expand this. Okay, again you will get a cube plus b cube. Notice there is a plus b and a plus b bracket over here. So I can write this as a plus b into a plus b the whole square minus 3ab into a plus b. There is a plus b, there is a plus b. I can take a plus b common. So a plus b the whole square is left inside the bracket, minus 3ab. Okay, so we got one bracket, now we need this bracket. ठीक है, so a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab is there. These are like terms, so I can subtract this. So a square plus b square, 2ab minus 3ab gives minus ab. So I'll just rearrange the terms. It is a square minus ab plus b square. So students, we got RHS. Okay, so it's easy. Okay, please learn this formula, it is important. Okay, third product is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is equal to a cube minus b cube. Now again, for a cube minus b cube, you need to remember this special product, students. Okay, so far I have told you not to remember a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube, but for the last exercise you will need to remember these two products. Okay, so there are total 4 products and a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube is one of them. Now a cube minus b cube in short is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So you can see the terms are same, only the signs are changing over here. So when there is a cube minus b cube, first bracket is negative and rest all terms are positive. Okay, now let us understand how we get the formula. So LHS से RHS derive करेंगे and RHS से LHS derive करते हैं. Okay, so first we'll consider the LHS. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We'll multiply first term with the second bracket and then second term with the second bracket. So a into a square plus ab plus b square minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this gives a cube plus a square b plus ab square minus a square b minus ab square minus b cube. Students, be very careful with signs. Minus into plus gives minus, minus into plus gives minus, and minus into plus gives minus. So these terms get cancelled. We are left with a cube minus b cube. So we arrived at RHS. Now we will derive LHS from RHS. In RHS we have a cube minus b cube. Okay, now we'll write a cube minus b cube in terms of a minus b the whole cube. What is a minus b the whole cube, students? A minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b cube. Okay, now I want a cube minus b cube, so I'll shift this on the other side. So a cube minus b cube is equal to this. So I'll write that over here. Okay. Now if you notice, there is a minus b and a minus b. So what we'll do, we'll take a minus b common. So over here, one a minus b goes, so we are left with a minus b the whole square. Okay, plus 3ab. Okay, so a minus b into a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 3ab. Okay, so a minus b minus 2ab plus 3ab will give ab. So a square plus ab plus b square. Students, we arrived at LHS. So it's easy. Okay, now you need to memorize this formula, so please memorize this. Okay, now we learn the special fourth product. The fourth product that you need to remember is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Students, this one is lengthy, but you need to memorize this. Now again I'll repeat, don't just memorize, try to understand and then memorize. Okay, so we learn the derivation. Alright, now LHS से RHS obtain करना is very easy, students. Okay, so from LHS we can easily get RHS. From RHS getting LHS is a bit tricky. So first we'll solve LHS and then arrive at RHS, and then we'll solve RHS. So LHS may we have a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. We'll multiply each and every term with this bracket. So a into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca plus b into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. A into a square a cube plus ab square plus ac square minus a square b minus abc minus ca square plus a square b plus b cube plus bc square minus ab square minus b square c. Okay, I'm multiplying each and every term directly, students. Okay, minus plus b into minus ca will give minus abc. Now opening these brackets, so plus ca square plus b square c plus c cube minus abc minus bc square minus c ac square. Okay, now lots of terms are getting cancelled over here. There is ab square positive over here, ab square negative, ac square positive, okay, ac square negative, a square b negative, a square b positive, ca square negative, ca square positive. Then there is bc square positive, bc square this is b square c. So bc square negative, bc square positive, b square c positive, b square c negative. Okay, so everything got cancelled. We are left with a cube, then plus b cube, and there is plus c cube, minus abc, minus abc, minus abc, so minus 3abc. Okay, so we easily arrived at RHS. Now we'll derive LHS from the RHS. Now students, we'll consider the RHS and then derive the LHS. So in RHS we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, now students, what we'll do, a cube plus b cube, I can get the formula for a cube plus b cube. We know a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b cube. So if I want a cube plus b cube, okay, what I'll do, I'll shift this on the other side. So a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so a cube plus b cube is equal to this. We'll substitute this over here. So a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b plus c cube minus 3abc. Don't forget this. Okay, now students, there is cube, so let us group the cubes together. Okay, there is a plus b cube plus c cube. Now again we'll use the same formula, a cube plus b cube का formula. Consider this whole thing as a का cube, and consider this as b. So a cube and b cube. What is a cube plus b cube? Same thing. Okay. So over here a is a plus b. So a plus b. Okay. A is a plus b, students, and b is c. So a plus b plus c, the whole cube, minus 3ab. So 3 into a is a plus b. Okay, so 3 into a plus b into b is what? C. Okay, into a plus b. So 3ab into a plus b. So that is a is a plus b and b is c. Okay. So we have a plus b plus c the whole cube. Okay. A plus b the whole cube minus 3ab. So minus 3 into a into b into a plus b. A is this, b is this. Okay. Now we have these two terms also. Minus 3ab into a plus b minus 3abc. Now over here we have a plus b plus c. Here also we have a plus b plus c. So I can take a plus b plus c common. A plus b plus c. I want a plus b plus c. ठीक है, एक ब्रैकेट मुझे चाहिए a plus b plus c. So when we take a plus b plus c common from these two, here we are left with a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay, minus 3 into a plus b into c. Okay, a plus b plus c and a plus b plus c we took common over here. Okay, these two terms are left. Now over here there is 3ab common. So let us take minus 3ab common. So in brackets we get a plus b and over here plus c. We are taking minus common, so signs inside the bracket will change. Okay, so this one will remain as it is. Minus 3ab went outside, a plus b will be left. Okay, and minus 3ab went, so over here we are left with c. Okay, so a plus b plus c. Okay, now there is a plus b plus c over here also. So दोनों में से कॉमन लेते हैं. यहाँ पे भी a plus b plus c है, यहाँ पे भी है. So we'll take a plus b plus c common outside. So we are left with this and this. A plus b plus c the whole square minus 3a plus b into c minus 3ab. Okay, so keep this bracket as it is. Now a plus b plus c the whole square. What is it, students? A plus b plus c the whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, you need to know these identities if you want to derive the formula. Minus 3ac minus 3bc. Okay, minus 3ab है. Okay, so a plus b plus c, there is a square plus b square plus c square. 2ab minus 3ab gives minus ab. 2bc minus 3bc gives minus bc. 2ca minus 3ca, ac or ca is one and the same. 2ca minus 3ca gives minus ca. So we derive the formula. Okay, so students, if you don't want to remember the derivation, it's all right. It's not even asked in the exams, but you need to know the formula. Okay, so it will be useful in the exercise, last exercise that you will be solving in the chapter.